Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today NVIDIA is doing a fantastic movement. Let's talk about NVIDIA right now in this video. It is one of the best stocks to trade in my humble opinion at this moment. It is going up nicely, 6.40% right now, way more than Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Google, etc. It is going up amazingly well. And I think we have a lot to cover over here. And if you are already my subscriber, remember to click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because our content is going to be very helpful. I can promise you this. Now, let's talk about NVIDIA. Let's start analyzing NVIDIA in the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, we see this, a very strong reaction. And it seems it is getting a little bit exhausted at this point. I would not panic. As far as I know, NVIDIA could correct to the Fibonacci's retracements down here, and it still would be a very good buy opportunity. In my humble opinion, it would be extremely healthy to see NVIDIA dropping again to the $222 over here at this area, near the 21 exponential moving average and near the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. So a pullback to this price level down here is totally acceptable. Okay, I think it's totally acceptable and it would be an incredible buy opportunity. This is telling me that maybe tomorrow we might see a gift pattern, meaning a very annoying and humble small bearish candlestick over here. This is a true possibility. But if we see a continuation pattern, okay, that's great as well. NVIDIA right now is doing a fantastic candlestick pattern. Just when it gets closer to this support level at $208 over here, see this black line down here, it was a support 1, 2, 3 times in the past. Now, we couldn't retest this point again, but we are quite close to it. So I think it is a plausible bullish candlestick pattern to see. And I really like how NVIDIA is behaving in the past couple of days because, see, we went up nicely. However, look at the past two bearish candlesticks over here. Look at the volume. Their volume was very low, indicating that NVIDIA is not dropping because people are selling it. It's just because people are not buying it. It's different. It's totally different. It is dropping because it lacks momentum, not because there are short sellers or people are selling it because they don't believe in the company. It is just because of rough market conditions, right? So this makes NVIDIA, since NVIDIA is a tech growth stock, this makes the situation pretty hard for it, but it is not a terrible sign. And usually, when we see stocks dropping only because people are not buying, instead of we see a real, strong, meaningful, bad catalyst on the company. I mean, it is a bad company. It is not going to work. NVIDIA is going to fail. No, this is not happening. It is only dropping because it lacks momentum. When we see this happening, usually we find the best opportunities to buy around. Okay, so I do believe NVIDIA is looking great. Today's candlestick pattern is a buy sign. If tomorrow we see a gift pattern, again, a small correction over here, that's fantastic as well. Let's expect this. Let's not panic if we see this. NVIDIA is not a sell, not at these levels. I mean, we are near support levels, so makes 0 sense to sell NVIDIA over here. If you sell NVIDIA right here, right now, you would sell to some smart portfolio manager who's gonna buy from you, expecting it to go up because, again, NVIDIA is near a support level. It is dropping only because it lacks momentum, not because the company is terrible, okay? So it is not a bad company. It is a pretty good company, which is just dropping because of many weird catalysts going on in a macroeconomic level, but this is not going to be meaningful for NVIDIA in the long term. The company is still looking great, and right now, if we analyze the weekly chart, in the weekly chart we can see that the volume is increasing nicely. NVIDIA is still in a crystal clear bull trend, okay? Yes, we are slightly under the 21 exponential moving average, but we don't see any clear bearish structure going on NVIDIA right now. If we lose the support level at $200 $208 down here, then okay, maybe NVIDIA might drop more, maybe to 180s down here, maybe this is a true possibility, but right now we are reacting nicely. I don't see any particular reason to panic. I think it is doing amazingly well, and I do have my personal target on NVIDIA, which I'm gonna tell you guys right now, just after I tell you guys about my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. If you want to beat the market, subscribe, you get 7 days trial. So the first newsletter is for free. It is the only swing trading newsletter that has public results down here. You may check all my past results, all my trading log is here in this public document. You may check it anytime you want. See all my past trades over here. This document is updated every single week. So remember to subscribe at my trading newsletter. You have absolutely nothing to lose. 7 days trial. I do believe you're going to like it. Now, my personal target on NVIDIA is $269. Why I believe you're going to hit there? Because NVIDIA is in a support level. It is trying to do some reversal signs, especially if we break $232, this black line over here. If we break this point, we're going to see some confirmation signs. And this point is the next meaningful resistance, as we can see in the daily chart up here, okay? $269. What's more, NVIDIA has an open gap over here, a runaway gap. As far as I know, NVIDIA always fills its gaps, its runaways gaps, as long as they appear above the price, just like it did over here. So I firmly believe this gap is going to be filled, meaning the momentum might be strong enough for NVIDIA to retest $269. What are the main challenges over here? Mainly the 21 exponential moving average and this purple trend line in the daily chart. These are the most important resistances to work with. These are the main challenges. So let's not expect this is going to be an easy fight, but I do believe right now is the moment to start buying NVIDIA. So I think this video was indeed pretty helpful to you, right? So again, consider subscribing at this channel. Thank you very much for watching this far. Stay safe. Farewell.